before assessment. Here we go. Domain. What you got, domain?
I got open, negative infinity, and open positive infinity.
Also on this one, you can put all real numbers. And you could put double R. On the test, I think they may ask one of the questions, the domain of the parabola, could it be all real numbers? And you're like, yeah, no. It's this guy here.
I'm going to forget that.
Range, you could mark it there, but I'm going to mark mine. I wish I would have said to put your highlight this way. Touch the top of the picture, go over to the Y, then go down till you get down to the bottom of the picture, which in this case keeps going and going. So I just put an arrow. I wish I would have said it that way. With domain, if I had to live my life all over again, I wish I would say with domain, start with the picture, touch the picture first, get up to the X line, then go over till you get to the end of the picture, wherever it is, and then go down to meet it. I wish I would have said it that way. And that way the blue line, you can tell, is connected to the picture. Because some people, here's what they do. And in my heart, I have no idea what I'm going to do. It's too late. They just do highlight all of this guy. And then they just kind of highlight all of this guy. But by highlighting the XY plane, XY axis, is no new information. The line was already there. The line was already there. Hey, range, what you got?
4 and infinity. 4 is closed.
4 and infinity. 4 is closed. Now here's some good news. Yeah, the good news is those are the two right numbers. The question is, why are they not in the right order? Like, why is that order not the one we should use?
Because we start from bottom.
Right. So you always start from the smallest thing on the range is down at the bottom, and you grow up. So whatever was on the bottom, which happens to be this negative infinity, it's going to start down here and it's going to grow up to the top where it maxes out at the 4. The question is, why is it negative? Because the infinity that's all the way down below is in the negative range. Those are all the negative guys. For test 1, it'd have to be right. Take a look at that. See if you want to ask anything about. Say it.
Can we only say all real numbers if it's both infinities?
Correct. He just asked if you have both negative and positive infinity as part of the answer. That's the only time you can say all real numbers or use a symbol double R. If one of the numbers is like a regular number, it doesn't go there, then it doesn't go up past that.
When it means all real numbers, is it numbers as in just that we can quantify?
All right, where are we? Hey, x-intercept. What do you guys have?
0, 1.
0, 1.
And 0, 5.
0, 1, and 0, 5. For those who have trouble with the x-intercept, not only would I ask you to put a dot where the parabola hits the x-axis, but I'd actually have you put the letter x next to each one of those to remind you it's the x-intercept, and there's 2 of them. 0, 5, what's the other? Oh. The other one was 0, 5?
No.
Yeah.
5, 0.
Right. I was going to say, hey, what might not be quite right with these numbers? The numbers are
1, 0, 5, 0.
Yeah. I wrote them wrong, or the way they're given has to be switched around. In other words, if I want the x-intercept...
1, 0, 5, 0.
You said it so confidently, it made me forget that I wrote it the right way.
I'm tired.
Oh, you're tired? Yeah, I've been up since...
Here it comes.
Really?
All right, here it goes.
Nobody asked for your
All right.
Go learn some more.
Hey, Y table, where are the y-intercepts? So you guys put a front here, Alyssa and Richard. It's a tough one, sort of.
You scroll down because the lines are
Oh, does it go down and touch it? Okay, I was like, okay, what are they going to put? Say it again one more time. Let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, Yeah, 5. 0, -5, y-intercept. And then finally, what's the shape?
The parabola.
Yeah, parabola. Even though it's going down, there's still a parabola. The other thing I want to say about this one, it's possible, and I think they may do it. Look, can I? If I oh yeah, thank you. We'll do that in a second. Let me scratch out half of it. I think on one of the pictures they may.
Oh, you mean like how they had on that one time we did?
Right. Say does it have a minima or a maxima?
Maximum.
And what's the maxima?
4.
4.
0, 4.
You actually have to give the actual coordinates of this point.
24?
3 point.
So you actually have to put the actual coordinates for the maxima. Lastly, what's the other name of this maxima? It has another name, such the letter V.
Vertex?
Yeah, vertex.
Vertex.
Vertex is the name of what they have there. And we'll pause because, all right, that is the X should be gallons.
You don't know how to.
Oh, he didn't count the negative. That's the problem.
And the right should be the amount of money we have to pay.
You got it.
Wait.
You got it.
Oh, you're right.
Hey, we just changed the titles. When I give them $1, I get 2.7 gallons of gas. I give them $2.
So it's not negative.
Yeah, I get 5.4. If I give them $-, I get negative 2.7 things of gas.
Oh.
So here comes a question I'm glad Anissa asked it. The real question they're asking you is this. Once you get your table and you know what it means, the question is, are there any X's, are there any domains that you can't use? So what is the appropriate domain here? What are the X's that we get to use?
Positive.
But we know they're going to be positive.
Aside from that, unless we're like counting in whether or not it's limited.
Here's another part they threw in. You only have $20.
So you can only get 8 gallons, or no, 7 gallons.
Not how many gallons, but how much money do you have to give them?
You have 18.9.
You have $20 to begin with.
Right, but you can only give 18.9 because if that gives you 7 gallons. If you want to go for 8 gallons, then it's going to cost you 21.
All right, pause. Say it slow. Say it slow. How you know how much money you can give them?
I worked out the equation. It gave us an equation. I just put in random numbers until I got something that was close to 20, and then I went 1 over it, and then it was over 20. So I plugged in for X 7, and then Y I got.
Go ahead, put arrows on here, and that will help with one of the questions on there.
Wait, and then so for linear.
Hey, table 1. What do you guys have for question 1? True or false? False. And how do you know?
False because the parabola has a different.
Ooh. Say the y-intercept for the parabola and the y-intercept for the line.
The y-intercept for the parabola is
0, 2 close?
Yeah.
And how about the X? If you had to kind of guesstimate it.
the linear one is going to be
At least that
Now
one.
here what you got for both functions are linear. False. How do you know?
Because only 68 is linear, the other one is a parabola.
Yeah. You see that? Just writing parabola or parabola and line or linear. This lets me know this is how you justify, which is why they give you a 4 for this. Say you like, I don't know how to say it. Okay. You don't get a 4, but you don't need a 4. You need a 2 or a 3. 2 says, I know the right answers. I guess 3 says it. Oh, 3 says I know all of the right answers. 2, you get to miss 3 out of 5. 2 out of 5. 3 out of 5. 2, you need 3 out of these 5 to win. And most of you are going to get 3 out of 5 to win. All right, table 3, what you got?
False.
Is this false? How do you know?
Wait, no, it's true.
All right.
Sorry.
You had one job.
It's true.
I don't know how you say this one. I don't know how you
It's
say this
because
one.
they're both infinite.
You could say it wasn't specified that they weren't infinite.
Okay, I'll go with that.
I'm sorry, I was tired.
All right, table 4, true, false. False. All right. What are you saying? What are you all saying for that? All right. Linear functions don't have a maximum minimum. That'll work. Don't have.
I said true in my brain, but then I said false.
H has a max. Max minimum. Except under special circumstances, which we won't talk about now. We'll leave it there. And then the last guy. Both functions. It's free for all. Both functions have exactly 1 x-intercept. False. False. And what do we put for that?
Parabola has 2 x-intercepts.
Which thing is parabola? The H or the C?
H.
And this is why math will make up letters. I got tired of writing the whole word parabola, and so that's why I asked which one is the parabola. That way I can write the short thing has 2,